Hey, welcome back, Shadle Math students. Monty here. I want to make sure that we do a little bit of diving into the book, Scavenger Hunt. Okay? Now, lots of you finally got your school geometry book. We waited until now to send this out because the last 2 days was book pickup for juniors and seniors, and a lot of you had other items to pick up, freshmen and sophomores. So here we go. Got this big, thick green book. What do we do with it? Okay, now you're going to be using yours. If you don't have your textbook yet, that's okay, and here's why. Log into Clever. Now in my class, a lot of you did a great job. You actually went and did Mathia. Well, there's another little icon right under Mathia. So we go to Clever. Remember, that is your portal for Office 365, all your Blackboard classes. And remember, there's 3 video tutorials for everything we teach in geometry in your Blackboard class. All right, locate the CL button, okay, this black CL button. It'll be all the way down under Math. I always click the little heart and bookmark it, okay, so CL, Carnegie Learning. Click on that. Poof. Now, if this is the first time you've clicked on that button, it takes a second, okay? So when it jumps in, welcome, there's your name. There's a teacher portal, you don't have that, okay? Now, locate your class, Mathia. If you haven't done Mathia, your teachers will show you about that. But you want to click on this little box right here. And there's the geometry book and the Spanish version. Click on the geometry book and hit go. Poof. Okay, once you hit that button, it's going to open up to this page. Here's your virtual textbook. Now, lots of you are using your regular textbook. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to scroll all the way down. Here's Module 1. That's what we're doing right now in class. Module 1, Topic 1, Lesson 1. What's with all these letters and numbers? Okay, then please scroll all the way down. Even if you're doing the hand one, I want you to realize all the neat things. Table of contents, glossary, okay? Everything that we teach is in the glossary, okay? You can scroll through and look at that. Lesson video library. Wow, another resource for everything that we teach. If you click on that, you will actually see a little Excel spreadsheet of everything that we teach. So starting next week, I'm going to make sure that I entitle everything we do with the module, the topic, and the lesson. Okay? So everything that we talked about this week, plus a lot more, can be found in these videos. You have direct access to everything that we're teaching. Isn't that cool? So we've been talking about shapes. Look at all these videos, okay? And next week we're going to be talking about perpendicular lines. So keep that in mind, okay? You can access that online. All right, let's get to the scavenger hunt, okay? In your assignment for the day, this is your Friday quiz, you're going to do a scavenger hunt. What's the title of the book? Well, let's go find it. When I click on, poof, the first module, okay, the first thing that comes up is High School Math Solution Geometry, Carnegie Learning. Okay, so just write that in. Done. How many modules are in the book? Well, you guys know you got to scroll down until you see the table of contents. Okay, once you see the table of contents, you can just count them up. There they are. Boom. Okay, now here's the key. Now I know you can't really see behind me, but M stands for module. Okay. T stands for topic. Boom. L stands for lesson. Boom. A stands for assignment. Okay. List the titles of the modules. Again, you're going to scroll through your paper copy until you find the names of those modules. I would actually either put a post-it note or bend the corner tabby, right? Okay. All right. So now, what's after that? We're going to actually try to find these pages. Now, in this book, it's not a traditional book. you have to go M1-19. So I want you to actually scroll through and find M1-19. Okay, and they're in the bottom corners. And you'll find it says Lesson 2, Hip to be Square, M1-19. Just kind of read through this. It's a folding paper activity. Okay, why are we folding paper? What does it actually talk about? What's the vocabulary word? All right, now, one key to success. Go to M197. Okay, M1-97. Now, if you're online, it's kind of cool because you can just jump to the top here and type in a 97 and it'll jump right to it. Okay, so as we go through the year, that really makes it faster online. Okay, if you have to pause at any time, please do so, and then you can come back. Everything that we study in Module 1, Topic 1, is found right here, the topic summary. Okay, now because we're in a digital world, we're in distance learning, we won't have time to study every item on these 4 pages. Okay, so scavenger hunt, there's your summary. Remember, every module topic has the ending notes. It's called the summary section. Okay, all right. Now we want you to actually get into the habit of learning our vocabulary, and in this book they're called key terms. So go to page M17, locate the key terms, type them in. On what pages do you find the index? Okay, if you have the paper copy, please find a Post-it note, bend a sheet of paper, something colored, stick it in there so that you remember where the index is. The index is all important because, wow, I don't remember what that word congruent means. Look it up. Okay? Now, in the virtual world, everything is under the glossary. So index, paper copy, glossary, paper copy. In the online world, you have to scroll all the way down to the glossary section. Okay? So the index is not as easily found online. Okay? I love the live hints. They really work well. Ask questions and they will help you from the student perspective. All right? So, scavenger hunt. That was our quiz for the week. Okay? Hopefully you're enjoying this. Shoot me questions. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.